A date has now been set for Michael Dunn's trial. It's expected to start September 23rd. Dunn, you'll remember, is accused in the shooting death of 17-year-old Jordan Davis last November.
Also today, Dunn's lawyer is giving us his views of the newly released interrogation video of his client recorded the day after the shooting. Channel 4's Tarek Miner spoke to the defense attorney and is joining us now from our newsroom. Tarek, what does the lawyer say about the trial date?
Well, Michael Dunn's attorney doesn't think the September trial date gives him enough time to be prepared. However, he does think that the evidence that has already been released will work in his client's favor.
I've never been so scared in my life for somebody to be, I thought they were singing, like you're going to die.
Michael Dunn's attorney says this interrogation video is only going to help the 45-year-old's case because, according to lawyer Corey Strolla, Dunn explained why he opened fire on a car full of teenagers.
I think it comes across where he's very honest, he's very sincere, and if you look at it, and I think we should be able to prove with expert testimony that there were no signs of deception on that tape. I don't think you're going to find a state witness who's going to come in with credibility who's going to argue that it looked like he was lying on that video.
Strolla appeared in court today without his client, asking the state to pay for Dunn's legal fees because Dunn's only asset is a car that the state has already seized. Strolla also told the court there's a mountain of new video evidence from a Gate gas station surveillance camera that neither his office or state prosecutors have reviewed.
We're asking for that video because there's audio. We found out just yesterday there's actual audio on those cameras which will record the shooting. It will also record people talking. The state actually only has about 15 minutes of the video. Meanwhile, police were on scene for well over an hour, so I want that video.
Strolla told the judge he needs 6 months to prepare for the murder trial that's supposed to last about a week. But the judge put the trial on the books for late September, a day Jordan Davis's family's looking forward to.
The sooner the better, but there are a lot of witnesses and there's a lot to do to prepare for a one-week trial.
Also, we are now just learning that the Jordan Davis's picture, along with his father, are going to be featured on this weekend's Rolling Stone magazine. So obviously this is a case that the entire nation is watching. Tom?
See, Tarek, this case has received so much publicity. Did Strolla say anything about attempting to move the trial out of Jacksonville?
He hasn't mentioned that yet, and there hasn't been any motions filed in court. But that, of course, is a topic of conversation, as we just said, the entire nation watching.
Tarek Miner in the newsroom. Thank you, Tarek.